Take a ride in the 2024 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.